Tampa Bay Rum Punch is a vibrant and fruity drink representing the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, inspired by the city's tropical climate and love for bold, refreshing flavors. This cocktail combines rum with pineapple juice and a splash of grenadine for a colorful, festive drink. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces light rum as the base of the rum punch, 2 ounces pineapple juice for a tropical sweetness, 1 ounce orange juice for a citrusy balance, half an ounce grenadine for a splash of color, 1 orange slice for garnish, 1 cherry for garnish. For equipment you will need hurricane glass, bar spoon, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a hurricane glass with ice. Add light rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, and grenadine to the glass. Stir well to combine. Garnish with an orange slice and cherry. Tampa Bay's warm tropical climate makes it the perfect place to enjoy a refreshing rum punch. This cocktail captures the vibrant, festive spirit of the city and its love for bold, fruity flavors.